Hi, everyone. Welcome to Financial Insights. I'm Linda, your accounting coach. So, we are coming up on the end of our tutorial regarding Wave, the free accounting software. So, we hope you're enjoying these tutorials and definitely try it out. So, today we're going to talk about the reports. So, this is why we all sign up to receive accounting software. This is why we pay for it. It is the report. So if you want to apply for a loan, a grant, you want someone to invest in your business, you need financial reports. So we do all of that invoicing, creating bills, coding transactions, so we can actually get reports. So here in Wave, you will go under reports, and they have several reports that you would need to make sure your business is on track financially. So the financial statements, they of course they have the profit and loss statement, they have the balance sheet, and they have the cash flow. Then they also have sales tax report if you're going to use that function. Also payroll if you're using that function through Wave, and then also customers. So regarding customers, that's income by customer and age receivables, and we're going to talk about that a little bit more. And then there's a vendor section, and then there's a detailed reporting section, which includes the general ledger. So I want to talk a little bit about the financial statements and the profit and loss statement and the cash flow. So you just click on the profit and loss statement. Here you can change the date range, you can change the year, you can change it to look at it for 1 month or a couple months. And then here, report type, if you want accrual base or cash base. So if you go back to maybe last year, I created a video regarding what's accrual base and what's cash base. So cash base is basically you're operating on cash. And what that means is you only recognize revenue and expenses when that transaction happens. Accrual base, that's paid and unpaid. Accrual base is when you're invoicing your clients or your customers and they actually pay you. So that's actually accrual base. So you want to make sure you understand what type of accounting method you're using for your business. But that's just a short description about what's accrual base and what's cash base. But if you're still, not sure, go ahead and just select paid and unpaid because that includes everything. So what I like about the reports, they usually give you a summary here if you look in the middle, and then you can actually go to details. And with this profit and loss statement, it will break out the income and expenses, and then it gives you a net profit. So very handy. And then you can also export CSV file or PDF. The balance sheet is the same way. So if your business is pretty straightforward, Wave may be a good fit for you because once again, it produces a profit and loss statement. It produces a balance sheet, which you would need to manage your finances and then also for tax purposes. So with the balance sheet, once again, you can change the date, you can change the report type, and then it gives you a summary or you can select details. So once again, you can select summary or you can select details. So let me go back here. So your profit and loss statement summarizes your revenue and your expenses for a given period of time. Your balance sheet is what I call, this is the report card for your business. A lot of people focus on the profit and loss, but you should also focus on the balance sheet. The balance sheet tells you how much you actually own in your business. So what is the value of your assets, and then what's your liabilities? So we want to grow assets and we want to have minimal liabilities. So definitely always check your balance sheet. And then there's a cash flow statement in Wave. So if you are working on cash basis, the accounting method cash basis, this is a good cash flow for you. If you're doing accrual basis, you may have to actually export this to Excel and then, what we call an accounting finesse it a little bit. But if you're working once again on cash basis, this is a summary of what is coming in and what's going out, and it gives you the sources. So what this means is the cash flow. So for this particular business, it's saying, okay, sales, this is the sales for 3,000, purchases 1,000, I'm sorry, 1,300. So just to give you a quick summary of where that cash came in and where it came from. And so if you click details, it really breaks it out. So operating activity, so this is the revenue section. Purchases, this is the outflow, this is the cash going out. So as you can see, Wave does give you reports. So once again, if you need to apply for a grant or you're applying for a loan, you could actually use their reports in Wave. So next time we're going to go more into the age receivables and the age payables report. But definitely, if you currently are not using the software, definitely try out Wave. It is free to sign up. I say give yourself 3 months, see how you like it, look at the tutorials, and then let us know how it goes. We'll see you next time.